Alright, shotgun video. This is gonna be pretty terrible because I've never done this before. Yeah, I've tried it a couple times when my friend was over, but that was some mellow yellow, and that is rough as an 80-year-old's ass. You know, it's just gross. So this time I'm gonna try something even worse. Where is it? Where'd it go here? That good old-fashioned Coca-Cola. Yes, yes, yes. And yes, it is full. Let me see if I can get a good shot there. Not been messed with. I don't know if you guys can see that. But, yeah. I'm gonna try it. This is gonna suck, I know. But, let's do it. Set you guys down right here. Alright. Knife. Can. Put it up. Shit. What the fuck? It's hissing. I don't know. Seems full to me. I don't know. Let's see. Let's try this right here. Ah! Shit! That was a fail. Let's get the cut in here. Get the cut in here. Alright, let's get not big enough. There we go. Okay. Oh, this is gonna suck. I'm pretty much caffeine sensitive too, so let's put you up here. Okay. I guess in bottoms up. Oh, this is gonna suck. 1, 2, 3. Fuck. That's gross. Alright, there you have it. You're welcome. That sucked. Oh, let's see. That was a random ass video, but see you guys in the next video. Thank you.